Baby, drop that thing on the floor. Come tell me what you want. I can't understand it if your body language is all hunched up on your phone, acting like you don't know. You the hottest, you the baddest, you the realest. We don't need technology to go and feel this. Throw that thing in the air. Come show off what you wear. See, it ain't that hard once you let your guard down. All these things in the way, wish they'd all go away. Yeah. Wish they'd all go away. I wish it was just you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. Guys like that are a waste of time. They form in a queue, but they gon' wait a lifetime. This queen don't need to go dancing like she don't know. She the hottest, she the baddest, she the realest. Think of all the things that we could go feel with you, me, us. I feel like there's a vibe. I feel like there's a vibe between us here tonight. Between us here tonight. When you're ready to try and let go of all the stress. Move your feet, get crazy with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all the pressure. Move your feet, get crazy with me. Let me know when you're ready to leave. When you're ready to try and let go of all